What's going on, guys? So today it's Monday. I'm gonna give you guys a full day of eating, what I eat on a normal day basis. I typically eat healthy Monday through Friday, just so I can operate at my optimum levels, performance-wise, keep my mind ready to do what I have to do throughout the week, because things get stressful and you just want to be ready. And honestly, I just like eating healthy. I like how I feel. I like just being more energized. I feel like whenever I eat bad, I just feel lethargic. I feel tired. I feel dizzy. I don't know. So it's morning, about to make a cup of coffee, get a cardio session at the gym. I'm gonna show you each meal I have today. And I'm also gonna be filming a chest, shoulders, triceps workout. And I will be posting the entire workout in the bio of this video. And I will do a run through. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, like and subscribe. Thank you.
With the ballerina toe tap, nice touchdown.
That's what you want to see out of your wide receiver. Those are the things that flags the NFL teams. Can a guy go up and get it in the end zone? Most important play in the NFL is going to get the football. Love that right there.
Let's keep it the way it is right now.
What's going on, guys? So I just got to the gym. Powerhouse Berea, in case you didn't know where I worked out at. I probably said it a million times before. But I just got done with a 10-minute warm-up jog on the treadmill. I always do that before a workout just because it gets the blood flowing. I get a little sweat going, I feel looser, I just feel good. So for today's workout, it's a chest, shoulders, tri. It's also named a push day. That's how a lot of bodybuilders use it in that term. So for today, we're gonna be doing 3 chest movements, 2 shoulders, and 1 tricep. And for the chest, I always start off with a compound movement. And in case if no one knows what a compound movement is, it's basically just either a flat bench or an incline with a barbell. For me personally, I love incline barbell. I just feel more tension on the upper chest where it's supposed to be targeting. So, and then for flat bench, I'll do dumbbells. It just works better. So for the first set today, I'll be doing 3 sets of incline barbell bench press. Keep the rep range between 10 to 12 with a 60-second rest period. So let's count on over. And usually I do 2 warm-up sets before we go into the working, but we're just gonna go right into it. So adjust the seat accordingly. Over here, find your right grip.
Nice and deep, deep breath.
And we're gonna do that 3 times, up the weight each set. And every time you do that, make sure you have a spot because shit happens and you never know what could go wrong. So that's our first set. And then once we're done there, I'll take you in to our next chest movement. And I always do a superset following the compound. All right, over here. So for our second and third chest movement, every single time I always do a superset. Literally supersetting is by far my favorite thing to do in the gym because it speeds up the time of the workout. You get a better pump and I think you're burning more calories. So actually I know you're burning more calories because it's back-to-back exercises. So to complete the chest exercises for today, we are gonna be doing a flat dumbbell press. We're gonna hit 12 to 15 reps. And then immediately once we're done, we're gonna freaking sprint over here and we're gonna press 12 to 15 there. 3 total sets, 60-second rest period in between each set, and run from there. At the end too, I don't know, I just feel like the most stretch there.
But you would say that was very person to person,
right? So that's 1 total set. Repeat 2 more times for 3 total. And that's good for the chest exercises. Once you're done with that, we're gonna hit into the shoulders, boulder shoulders. All right, guys, now that we're done with the 3 chest movements that were explained, we're gonna be moving on to shoulders. For shoulders, I really don't do that much for it because you're doing so much shoulder work when you're working the chest and like the barbell, and I mess up my shoulders a lot injury wise, so I usually just keep it 2 lightweight shoulder exercises, keep it a superset again. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking 12-pound dumbbells, and we're gonna do 10 just side lateral raises, and then with a split stance right after, we're gonna do 2 front raises and 3 total sets. You can keep the rest between like 60 to 90 seconds, I don't know, whatever you feel like doing. So let's get into it. Repeat that for 2 more rounds, and you are good to go on shoulders for the day. And then we will finish up with 1 tricep exercise, and that will complete our push day. Dude, this is seriously the best meal in any gym I've ever been to in my entire life.
Yeah, it's
Like, it literally like takes off 3% body fat, I swear to God.
If you could see how good your face and how blue your eyes are right now, you'd be amazed.
Is that gonna be the thumbnail for this video?
Probably.
Blue steel.
We're rolling right now, by the way.
Really? Hey, ready? All right, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, we're working out. So to finish up today's workout, we're gonna do triceps. For any like smaller muscle group like triceps and biceps, I always keep like the reps higher and focus on like the tension and concentration. So to end today's workout, we're just gonna do 4 sets, about 15 to 20 reps, and keep the rest time short. And I think that's gonna work the muscle the best and really like work on the striations, get the definition of what we're looking for. So elbows are gonna be tucked in. There's the saw on the way up. Alright guys, that was today's push workout. I hope you enjoyed. Probably finish it up with like 15 to 20 minutes of cardio. That can be anything. It can be a Stairmaster, a light jog, a walk, whatever you want to do. And if you enjoyed the workout and my full day of eating, please like and subscribe, and hope you guys are ready for the Day in the Life as a Server episode 5 coming at you this Friday.
God, this camera does something to your eyes. I don't know what it is.
Really? Let's just keep this rolling.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Guys, so I just got done hitting that chest, shoulders, triceps workout that we went through, and it is currently 3:15 p.m. and you're probably wondering why I didn't show my breakfast. Well, let me answer that. So every day I do intermittent fasting. So if none of you guys know what that is, basically it's where you push back your breakfast time like 6 hours in the day. So for instance, if you wake up at 10 p.m. every day, you wouldn't eat your first meal till about like 2:30, 3 p.m. And the only reason why I do this is because I'm like never hungry in the morning, and it helps me keep my calories under control so I'm not overeating. And really, like when I wake up and have a cup of coffee, my mental clarity, my energy is just so like smooth, like I'm ready to take on the day, like I can do a lot of things, and it lets me go into everything I do need to take care of before I start eating. And it just doesn't make you think about food all day, which we all do. So first meal of the day is my classic green smoothie. Mom, you can come in here. This is my green smoothie. I always have one every single day. The benefits from them are ridiculous. They give me great energy. They just give me focus. The minute I drink one, I literally feel like I'm the healthiest person alive. So let's see what I put in that. First, we're gonna throw in an M&M ice cream sandwich. No, I'm just kidding. I wish. Chopped kale, baby spinach, watercress, whatever, you guys probably have no idea what this is, but watercress is just like a vegetable. It's good for heart health. It's got vitamin K and C in it. Just vitamins that you're normally not used to getting, it gets that. Alkaline water, cucumber, and a lemon. So, literally all we're gonna do is mix a handful of kale, handful of spinach, full lemon, watercress, alkaline water. Ooh, cannot forget the most crucial ingredient too, is our brain octane fuel. All this stuff is like MCT oil. This stuff has like proven benefits to give you way more energy, metabolize fat a lot better, so you're gonna be like burning calories even when you're not doing anything, and it just like mentally keeps you sharp, and you can literally do anything you need to do for your day. That tastes good. Okay. All right, guys, second meal of the day. I'm cooking up 2 Ezekiel bread sandwiches with some peanut butter, and then normally I have more fruit than this. I usually have some blueberries with me, but since they are out, same with the berries, we're gonna run with raspberries today, and I'm gonna pair these sandwiches up with 2 bananas, use it as a mixture with this peanut butter as well, and that is literally one of my it actually is my go-to every single day. I love these things. It tastes so good. They're fresh, they're healthy. The bread's like one of the healthiest breads you can get. It's a pretty low calorie meal for the most part, but I mean, the biggest part is like it's filling and it does the job for me. Meal number 2 is complete and made. This is what we're working with. Very filling, tasty meal. So a tip out there to anyone who's trying to get their health together or just trying to lose weight or anything, just make subtle changes to improve their lifestyle or whatever. You know, I get a lot of questions just asked like, okay, hey, so what are you eating? Like, what do I have to eat? What's my diet got to be like? What do I have to change up to, you know, get like really lean, shredded or big or whatever? And the answer literally I give is always the same. And I don't even like dieting. I don't believe in dieting. I think diet isn't a thing and it shouldn't be, because diet insists that you go on a strict regimen and restrict everything for like a short period of time to lose X amount of weight. And then the minute it's over, you're just going to go back to where you started at, and then you're going to gain all the weight back. And then in essence, all that work was pointless and meaningless, and it's just a struggle. I dealt with that a lot, and it's something that I'm still working with, but I've gotten a lot better at. But the one thing I suggest is just make a lifestyle change, and I think that is the permanence to getting a healthy lifestyle, getting to your body weight that you want to be at, and just being like happier, because you don't have to restrict any food from your diet in order to like lose weight or like be healthy. It's just everything's in moderation and just knowing what works best for you. I tell everyone that all the time. It's just find foods that you want to eat every single day that's going to keep you, let's say you want to lose weight, that's going to keep you in a calorie deficit and make it enjoyable. Literally, you should enjoy eating every single day, and you should enjoy, you know, going out and drinking and doing whatever you want to do with your friends. Just, you know, just be more conscious of what you're doing and putting in your body. But yeah, I think restriction just leads to more, you know, just it's not good, and it's not the way I think life should be lived. And just make little changes. Like, for instance, I only drink water. It's so easy because like a lot of calories and sugar you're getting are from like Gatorade or just like juices or stuff. Water has just been an easy change. Like you'll see like instant weight loss right there if you just make that change. Just eat stuff that like, again, that you just enjoy eating. That can be anything, but as long as you keep it within range and don't go overboard, you're going to be fine. You'll be cool, and life will be easier. It'll be smoother. You won't feel like you're in prison just waiting to eat your next meal and just miserable eating it because you don't want to eat it. I don't even eat broccoli or any of that stuff. I only eat like that green smoothie. Like I actually enjoy it because like those lemons and stuff makes it. But again, yeah, find what works for you. Trial and error. You're not going to find it right away, I promise. Or maybe you will. That'd be awesome. But yeah, find what works for you. Eat foods you like. Find like, you know, your limit, what you want to do, and then go from there. And again, a lifestyle change is what you want to be doing. And I promise you that is the answer. And I hope you guys enjoy meal 2. And my last meal will be coming to you soon. Finish up. So I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm doing a day in the life, full day of eating and workout. So here's Julia.
Thank you.
As you've seen her before, we've done some short films together, and we're talking today about our next upcoming one. So not gonna give any too much. Not gonna give too much details here, but yeah. All right, guys. So we're at Quarter Life Eatery. This is like my last meal of the day, and I ordered a spicy chicken bowl with a lot of good stuff. Still keeping it healthy. This is a really cool place. Digging the vibe. Tons of people here, as you can see. And yeah, we'll get a better view when I get it. All right, we got some spicy chicken, some sweet potatoes. I don't know what those things are right there. It looks kind of gross, but yeah. The nice part about the bowl is you can choose whatever you want to eat and what you don't want to eat. So, all right, guys, last meal of the day, well, meal, snack, whatever you want to call it, is this Maximum Vibrance protein shake. This is probably has to be one of the healthiest proteins out there. You're getting 20 grams of plant protein, you got multivitamin, antioxidants, 25 billion probiotics, fiber, and yeah, it's a nice meal replacement. On the back is all of the stuff you're getting. All right, guys, so that was everything. Hope you guys enjoyed that push workout. Everything, all those exercises will also be in the description box of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the meals I presented and everything I showed you, what I typically eat not every day, but Monday through Friday, and just a regular day in the life eating. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Share it around. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have an awesome day.